I'm Shashwati, Dovercourt HSC member, and shooting this video is part Dovercourt HSC member. Today we have with us Tejas, who is making a very healthy and a very easy to make recipe. So now over to Tejas.
This is Tejas, Dovercourt member. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a South Indian dish called Upma. So to start with, you need semolina, also called as roasted rava. You can get this in Mata's or Fresh Mart. And for the vegetables, I've put onions, potatoes, and a couple of green chilies. Make sure you wash the vegetables before you put them in. And this is the rava that I've taken. This depends on the quantity of upma you're making. So the quantity is, if you take 1 glass of upma, you need to put 2 glasses of water. And this is mustard seeds. And this is not necessary, but it looks good if you put in it. It tastes good if you put in it. So take a pan and heat the pan. Pour some oil, olive oil or sunflower oil is good. Just a couple of tablespoons, and wait till the oil gets heated up. Now you add some mustard seeds. Onions. And the chilies, and cottage and thoroughly. Just add a tiny bit of turmeric powder. Now I'm adding the water. After adding the water, you put the main ingredient, that's the rava or the semolina. Make sure you mix it well so that there are no lumps in between. And now you add salt. Lower the flame and let it cook for a while. Make sure you stir occasionally so that it doesn't stick onto the pan. So our upma is ready.